It's really an incredible sight to behold the mango trees in blossom. It's such a sacred event. I can understand why the Hindus made this one of their most sacred fruits. Absolutely awe-inspiring to see what's called now the setting of fruit. So if you look closely at those panicles, you can see many, many little green peas. And as I zoom in, you really can get a sense of those green peas. They're gorgeous. Now, this tree, the kit, is so bountiful every year, but most of the mango trees are like this. You might see 10 or 15 little green peas, but really only one or two of them is going to make it. But multiply all that by several hundred stems that I see, and you get the idea. This is a very productive, beautiful, wonderful tree full of mango fruit. And I must say the odor, since all of the flowers have fallen off onto the ground, and see the wind is liking that reference. The odor at my feet and in the air is so ancient and so old, so beautiful. So go out and plant a tree, go out and walk in the forest, swim in the ocean. Please get away from it all.